It's a wonderful gadget here. You can either buy batteries for it or you can simply charge it, and which I love. Oh, I'm clumsy. Sorry. I definitely did not mean to do that. But it is a great product, and it lets you know human detection. I've tried it with my dad's dog, and it did not notify me, but it did notify me with every single human that had came up to this. So it does work, and it's great, and it works in night vision perfectly fine. I definitely recommend this. Also, and it's very affordable.
It's pretty awesome how it works though, isn't it? Are you watching me?
No.
Okay. This thing is awesome though, isn't it? And it's big.
Camera breaking in their house.
Somebody got it on their camera?
Yeah, they caught him
on this camera here?
No.
Oh shit. Oh, excuse the language. This thing is awesome.
They said, watch out for these two.
Nah. That was why I said no.